Just like I said before, I just remind Tony Labitag if she wants to join Miss Philippines Earth 2026. But I told her, you must study hard. If you go in college, if you go to Ateneo, if you go to LaSalle, focus your studying. That's all. Focus. If you graduated, you can be a beauty queen. Oh. So Tony Labitag wants to inspire a beauty queen. It's okay to open for beauty pageant. Miss Earth organization is open for 18 years old if they want to join a beauty pageant. So I say to Tony Labitag, if you want to join Miss Philippines Earth 2026, mostly you must join. It's nothing bad to join a beauty pageant and you will inspire by Nanay Ning Ning. So everyone likes beauty pageant. So when is the time I watch Miss Earth live some YouTube videos. I started to be friends with the Miss Earth 2019. That was candidates. That was year before pandemic. I met the Miss Earth 2025 candidates in Facebook, but I add them in Facebook. I have a friend Miss Indonesia. I have a friend Miss Mongolia. I have a friend Miss Germany. I have lots of friends who are on Facebook because I share the story to Nanay Ning Ning. I say to Nanay Ning Ning, Nanay Ning Ning, I have a friend Miss Germany in Facebook named Melissa. She's Miss Earth Germany 2025. Yeah, I have friends with Miss Germany. Of course, I have friends there in Facebook. Miss Kenya, I have Miss Kenya there. And Miss Jamaica, Miss Cayman Island. I have lots of friends. Even Miss Thailand at Miss Earth 2025, I met her in TikTok Live. I say hi to her. I introduced my name. I'm so lucky I met Miss Earth 2025 candidates. At least Atenenet did not react when I met them. Just like I said before, for example, uh, you remember Jam. You remember Jam, who's also from CDIFI, a tutorial of teacher Alex. And he's I remember Mauricio, right? That was I mentioned from Bill Galang. He was studied there. He was study in SPED in Valenzuela. He met Miss Earth 2017 candidates. I am so lucky that Jam met Miss Earth 2017 candidates. They are the batch of Karen Ibasco. He's so lucky. Me, I am lucky. I met the candidates of Miss Earth 2025 because I know them. Like I said before, I met them in TikTok Live. So some of my friends there were candidates of Miss Earth 2025. They're preparing for coronation night. They just do a practice. For example, when I was in CDIFI, we always practice closing program when Teacher Evelyn was there, even Teacher May was there, and Teacher Marisa. Oh, some Miss Earth 2025 candidates, they do practice. I say to Joy Barcoma, here's the message to you, Joy Barcoma. Um, Make sure you're going to win this this crown, and tell Miss Germany she will be Miss Earth Air. Tell um, Miss Kenya will be Miss Earth Water. And even who among Miss Earth Air or Miss Earth Fire? Miss Earth Fire will be I don't know. I choose in that thing. Miss Earth Fire will be would be Miss Indonesia. So it will be winner. So if Joy Bercomna is going to win in the Miss Earth 2025, she might be follow the footstep of Karen Ibasco and Ajelia Ong and Jamie Herrell and even Carla Henry. Just like that. I say to Tony Labitag, keep studying first and keep a good work. Study hard before you're going to be a beauty queen. But I say to Tony Labitag, if you want to be a beauty queen, if you win in the Miss Philippines Earth 2026 in next year, your parents, Ate Michelle and Kuya Mike Labitag will make you proud. And even Nanay Banji will make you proud. Nanay Ningning, who's balikbayan from Germany, they will make you proud. And first of all, I say to Tony Labitag, study hard.